Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys system navigation setting in a Realme phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you set guys your gestures navigation mode in your Realme phone, and guys how can you use it. In this video guys I will show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to set your gesture navigation, and guys scroll it. So you can see this type of setting. Then guys you can see your system settings. So I tap here, and guys you can see guys your system navigation. So I tap here, and guys you can see gestures. So I tap here, and guys you can use guys your gestures, and you can see guys your three button has removed. And guys how to use guys you can see it showing. So you want to back, so guys you can back from this left and right side, and guys you want to close app, so guys you can close app like that. So like that guys you can use guys your gesture navigation. Guys you can see you don't have your button layouts. So I hope friends you have understood how to set and guys how to use gesture navigation in a Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet you in next video. Bye bye friends.